We have mass in kg. So our proton in kg is 1,6726 times 10 to the power of negative 27, while our neutron is 1,6749 times 10 to the power negative 27, while our electron is 9,11 times 10 to the power negative 31. Well, when it comes to units, a proton is positive 1, while a neutron is 0, while electron is negative 1. When it comes to charge, we have 1,6 times 10 to the power negative 19 in coulomb. While it comes in neutron, we have 0. When it comes to electron, we have negative 1,6 times 10 to the power negative 19 in coulomb. Ne? Okay, so now on we are going to talk about the atomic number and atomic mass. So atomic number and atomic mass number. Okay, the chemical properties of an element are determined by the charge of its nucleus. So the chemical properties of an atom, of an element, are determined by the charge of its nucleus. They are determined by the charge of its nucleus. By the number of protons, which means that we're going to focus on the number of protons when we need the chemical properties of an element. So we'll be focusing on the number of protons, which means that the number of protons determine the chemical properties of an element in charge. This is called the atomic number and is denoted by the letter Z. So an atomic number is when like you're counting 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So we know that hydrogen is found in number 1, and what we call helium is found in number 2, lithium is found in number 3, barium is found in number 4, whatsoever. You'll be counting 1, 2, 3. It's like atomic number, which is represented by the letter Z. So we are going to look at the definition. So, like atomic number is represented by the letter Z. Let's go to our definition. So, when we look at the definition of atomic number, you can see is the number of protons in an atom. The number of protons in an atom. When you say H is 1, helium is 2, helium is number 3, lithium is number 3, beryllium is number 4. This is our number of protons. It's like we're determining the chemical properties in a charge. Okay, so atomic number, which is represented by the letter Z, is the number of protons in an atom. You can find the atom number on a periodic table. The atomic number is an integer and ranges from 1 to about 180, from 1 to 180. The mass of an atom depends on how many nucleons its nucleus contain. The number of nucleons, for example, the total number of protons plus the neutrons is called the atomic mass number and is denoted by the letter A. So when we are talking about the atomic mass number, we're talking about the nucleons. Nucleons is neutrons plus the proton. Those nucleons will determine atomic mass number. So the mass of an atom depends on how many nucleons its nucleus contain. So it depends on how many nucleons its nucleus contain. If you want the atomic mass number, you have to know how many nucleons are in the nucleus. Nucleons are protons plus the neutrons. So they are denoted by the letter A. they are denoted by the letter A. So you gotta look at the total number of protons plus the neutrons, which you call the atomic mass number, and is denoted by the letter A. Definition: atomic mass number, which is represented by the letter A. The number of protons and neutrons in the nucleus of an atom. An atomic number Z and the mass number A are indicated using a standard notation. For example, carbon will look like this. You can see this is our carbon. So at top we have 12, at the bottom we have 6. So we know that carbon is number 6. It's like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So its atomic number is 6. And then its atomic mass number is 12. This is our atomic mass number, which is represented by the letter A, and then 6 is represented by the letter Z. So you have to know the standard notation, the chemical symbol, the atomic mass number, and atomic number of an element. You have to know them. It is very important.